Yeah, is Day being annoying. And here he comes, Mango. Here he comes, being obnoxious. Get it. Watch out, Day. Here he comes. What are you doing, Mango? Charge! Day, is this a game to you? Get your dragon. Face plant. Get a ball. There you go. Get your dragon. Oh, Mango. Woo! Did you go on that rope toy, Mango? You're gonna get flung. Okay. Yeah, I know. You want lovin's. You play with Day. I swear you guys think this is a big freaking game. Here he comes. He's gonna get you. He's gonna... Thank you. If you stop barking, maybe he won't bite you. Mango, be nice. Yeah, be nice, okay? Let's see. Day, leave it. Thank you. Hey, be nice. Be nice, okay? Oh, here he comes. Better watch out, Day. Alright, that's the end of that, huh? That's the end of that, you crazy mutt. You're crazy. Come on!